Alice from Samson Outdoor Living, and today I'm going to show you the garden glass room and its versatility. You can use this space to expand your home, and it can be used for a gym, to do office work, grow plants, and generally to shelter from the British weather when it's not so good. We have sliding glass panels on the front, and in this particular one we have them on the sides as well. This is an option, so you can have them non-moving or moving. They come with a choice of having the canopy section at the front with the glass above, or flat, level with the glass sliding doors. In the evening, when you want to use this space with your family or friends and have some downtime, a bit of dinner or a party, this can be transformed into a heated area with light. Some of the lights are an option here, which you can see, and low energy heating is available as another option that we would attach at the back at the top here. Or you can use your own. And whilst I'm along here, I want to show you the awning. That is another option that this one has had fitted underneath the roof to prevent the sun. Now in this case, the frame is a nice standard anthracite metallic shade. And other options, we have 200 choices of colour. As you can see, vast range. To go with your windows if you want to, your front doors. This one has been added on to a lounge area, so it extends your home from where you choose to build it on.